June in Zone 6B marks a vibrant peak of summer, where the garden bursts with life and potential. This month is not only about nurturing plants but also understanding how gardening intersects with health, culture, and sustainability. From harvesting garlic to soaking in the summer sun for essential vitamin D, and from saving seeds to caring for livestock, there's a wealth of activities that make June a pivotal month for gardeners in this zone. Vitamin D in gardening. A holistic approach at gardening in June offers more than just fresh produce. It provides an opportunity to connect with nature and absorb essential vitamin D for Ivriy American gardeners. This is particularly significant due to the skin's melanin content, which reduces the efficiency of vitamin D synthesis from sunlight. However, spending time outdoors, even for brief periods, can still contribute to overall vitamin D levels. Ivriy American gardeners should aim to maximize exposure during early morning or late afternoon when the sun's rays are less intense but still effective. Wearing lightweight, breathable clothing that covers less sun-exposed areas while allowing arms and legs to soak in sunlight is beneficial. Supplementing with vitamin D-rich foods like fortified dairy products, fatty fish, and mushrooms also supports overall health during the summer months. Harvesting garlic, strawberries, cherries, and mulberries. June is a bountiful month for harvesting a variety of crops in Zone 6B. Garlic, planted in the fall, is ready for harvest when the lower leaves turn yellow and begin to dry. Carefully digging up bulbs and curing them in a dry, well-ventilated area ensures optimal storage and flavor. Strawberries ripen during this month, offering succulent berries bursting with flavor. Harvesting strawberries in the morning when temperatures are cooler prevents bruising and preserves their delicate texture. Cherries and mulberries also reach peak ripeness in June. Picking cherries with the stems intact and gently harvesting mulberries ensures the fruits remain undamaged and ready for fresh consumption or preservation. Saving seeds, mustard grains and carrots. Saving seeds from mustard grains and carrots allows gardeners to preserve desirable traits and reduce the need for purchasing seeds annually. Mustard grains produce small pods containing seeds that are ready for harvesting when the pods turn brown and dry on the plant. Collecting and storing these seeds in a cool, dry place maintains their viability for future planting seasons. Carrots, biennial plants, produce seeds in their second year. Allowing some carrot plants to overwinter and flower results in seed heads that can be collected as they dry and brown. Properly drying and storing carrot seeds ensures they remain viable for several years, supporting sustainable gardening practices. Caring for chickens and small tasks for gardeners who also keep chickens. June involves ensuring the well-being of these feathered companions. Providing fresh water daily, especially during hot weather, and offering shade and shelter from the sun are essential. Supplementing their diet with fresh greens from the garden, such as excess lettuce and kale, not only enriches their diet but also reduces waste. Small tasks in June include mulching garden beds to conserve moisture, controlling weeds before they go to seed, and monitoring for pests like aphids and caterpillars. Regularly deadheading flowers such as roses and petunias encourages continuous blooming throughout the summer. Additionally, checking irrigation systems for leaks and adjusting watering schedules based on weather conditions optimizes water usage and plant health. Gardening in June in Zone 6B is a dynamic blend of practicality and pleasure, intertwining the harvest of delicious fruits and vegetables with considerations of health, sustainability, and animal care. From soaking in the sun for vitamin D to saving seeds and nurturing chickens, June invites gardeners to immerse themselves fully in the joys and responsibilities of tending to the land. Embracing these activities not only enhances the garden's productivity but also fosters a deeper connection to the natural rhythms of the season. As June unfolds, it presents an opportunity for gardeners, regardless of background or experience, to cultivate both their gardens and their well-being.